We know some of the fish's names.
If anybody ever comes to the Bass Pro Shop in Denham Springs,
That's Sword.
that's Sword. All right, we are at the shooting range. The Bass Pro Shop, we are going to eat, and then they have a shooting arcade that we like to play when we come out this way. It's also raining, so we're not really over here a lot, but when we do, I like to come over here, take the kids, sit by the aquarium. So one of the things that we like to do here is feed the ducks. They used to have machines where you could put a quarter in and get some duck food, but our waitress told us that some teenagers got their hands stuck in it trying to steal the food, so they had to do away with them. But she brought us some extra bread so that we can feed the ducks with extra bread. And looks like we've got some, look at that, we've got turtles, fish, and ducks. Oh, I wonder if that turtle's gonna get it. That's a big turtle, huh? Oh, the fish got it. Fish, turtle, or duck? What's gonna get it? What do you think? Duck. All right, good job, duck.
I get one point.
Wait, what is that on the back of his head?
What's up, Meg?
What is that?
I don't know.
What's a duck got up? That is crazy. Okay, all right.
Now I see.
What do we, it's Bailey's turn. Let Bailey go. Bailey, is it gonna, duck, okay. Very good, it was a duck. All right, Elise, your turn. Duck, duck, turtle, or fish?
Turtle.
Turtle. No, it was a fish. Man, that fish was fast. All right, Bailey, your turn. Duck, turtle, or fish?
Turtle.
And turtle. Good call.
I got two, you got one.
All right, Elise, duck, turtle, or fish?
Duck.
Good job. See if we can get this turtle right there.
Hey.
Oh, get it, turtle, get it, turtle.
Yay.
All right. Oh, wait, that's a giant turtle.
Give me one.
I know. Hold on. Look at that giant turtle. Hold on.
Like a
Hold on.
giant duck. Got it. No.
Oh, wow.
It's a giant baganza.
That was a huge turtle.
No.
Well, hello, Elise.
Hello. I'm swimming.
Well, hello, Bailey.
I'm swimming. Look at this.
Who are your friends back there?
Fish. Jimmy, Lou, and who? There's Jimmy. There's Louie. I'm going out there with Jimmy.
Oh, you know their names?
Yes.
What's their names?
Well, there's so many names, and they're kind of the same, so you might not want to use them.
Oh, okay.
Where's Jimmy?
Oh, Jimmy, let me see. Oh, there he is.
That's
Well.
Jimmy?
Yeah.
Look at this guy
This
right
one.
here.
Oh, him. His name's Sword.
Sword? That's his name?
Yeah,
Okay.
because his parents thought his mouth was kind of like a sword.
Okay, that works. Well, that's his new name.
His name's Sword.
What?
So,
We know some of the fish's names.
if anybody ever comes to the Bass Pro Shop in Denham Springs,
That's Sword.
that's Sword. Let's see if they've still got that really huge turtle. Oh, yep. There he is. Look at him. That guy is huge. His head is the size of a soccer ball. Oh, look, they're eating. We got here during dinner time. See, they have their food out. See the ducks up there eating?
We got here for dinner time.
So ducks can go swimming as soon as they get finished eating.
Prince! Turtle Prince! Cool!
All right,
Guess what? Sometimes I like the
Elevator
fall.
time.
Cool.
Very neat.
Cool.
We start out under the
Wait for
water.
the little girl.
Hey.
Wave to her.
Oh, she went away.
Hey, Sword.
Hey, wait, where's Sword? Where's Sword? Sword.
There he is.
Hey, Sword.
Oh,
I want to dip my hand in there and pet Sword.
I bet you Sword would love to take your hand and bite it right off.
Oh my God. You'd like to use your hand as a chewy toy.
All right, we are at the shooting range. Okay, so real quick, here's the way this works. You see all the little green items in the shooting arcade. If you shoot them, then they will animate. See if you can shoot that alligator.
Spike.
Try.
There you go.
Green.
No, you want the little, look, you want this tip
You want to look
to
through
be
there.
in between here.
Line it up.
And then pull the trigger. Oh, a little high. You're
A
high.
little low.
Lower. Oh, just a little bit lower.
Just a little bit.
Oh, too low. There you go. You got him.
Good deal.
Look.
Woo, look at
Here he
Spike.
comes. Spike comes out. Good job.
Hi, Spike.
All right. Look. Look. See this little guy right
Now
here?
try a different one.
You're high. Little lower.
Oh, you got his butt.
Little lower.
DJ now.
Oh, little to the right. Little to the left. There you go. Good job.
Look at
Little
him.
to the right, little to the left.
I know. All right. So what's the next thing?
All right.
Try one of those.
No, no, no.
Look, there's a crawfish in the pot.
See a crawfish in the pot? You think you can hit that target next to him on the crawfish on the pot? A little lower? Oh, I don't like that one. A little higher?
Stop, Bailey.
A little to the right? A little left? Higher? Lower? Oh, that was almost... Yeah! You got it. Good job. All right, you got 5 more shots. Let's see if you can hit that.
No, shit.
Oh no, right there. See that stuff right there?
The one with the fox?
Yeah, the one with the fox.
There's one right up there on the top of the house.
All right, you're done. Yay! You got him.
Hey, got the possum going crazy. Possum going crazy. Oh, you shot him out. Ow.
Yay! Got him again. All right, 2 more shots. Oh, 2 in a row. Oh, that was it. Okay.
All right.
All right, my turn. Let's go see what's in the outhouse. Okay.
The outhouse. Oh, that's over there. All right.
That's real good.
Oh, nothing's in there, but we can quickly see. There we go.
Oh my God.
Flush the toilet. What?
There's a monster in there.
There's a monster in there.
There's a monster in the toilet.
A monster in the toilet.
Hey, try for one of those way up there.
Okay.
Yeah, try for the top one on the house.
The top one on the house. Oh, I see it way up there.
Oh, the raccoon. All
You're gonna have
right.
to get close.
Oh my God, you got it.
What happened? I don't think anything happened.
I don't know.
Something good happened.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't think I'm in.
Just like a little bit. Try for that raccoon right there.
The raccoon sitting on the house?
Yeah.
Okay. See what that raccoon does.
Oh, the raccoon in the chair?
No. Look at that.
Oh, he doesn't do anything.
He just makes noise.
Oh, that one comes out of the barrel.
Let's see what happens right here.
The fox? Okay.
Oh.
Huh? Oops. Wolf is in the house.
Here he
Oh,
comes.
here he comes. Ah, the big bad wolf.
Shoot the wolf! Shoot the wolf!
Hold up. Let's see what we got going on. Let's see what happens if we hit the lantern on the outhouse there. Oh, take the light out.
What about the deer?
I don't know. Let's do this. Look, let's do this one right here by that fox. Oh, it just makes a noise.
What about the deer?
Did have one hidden in the sticks.
The one hidden in the sticks right there. Oh,
Lights up.
lights
Ah,
up.
fire.
Fire in there.
All
Real
right.
fire.
I don't know if that's real fire. Let's see. You know what? Let's do that that shovel right there.
The shovel? I don't see a shovel.
Didn't do anything.
Do the buck.
One by the chest.
You want to see? Okay.
No, but we
we'll do
already
that
know.
one. We'll do that for the
Which one?
treasure chest.
The
But
treasure.
we already know that. Now let the one on the treasure.
Oh, it opens!
Yeah.
Oh. Very cool.
Whoa, look at the score.
All right, we got 3 shots. Let's see if we can get that that coyote. Let's see if we can get that coyote to come out.
Okay.
See the coyote under that tree?
Yeah.
Whoop.
Oh no, that was a
bat.
bat.
Mm.
Okay, we got 1 shot. Let's see if we can get that coyote. It must be right. There, got it on the last shot.
Where's the coyote?
Oh, he didn't do
He's
anything.
in the tree.
In the
All right,
tree.
look at Daddy's score. He got
Daddy got 480.
480.
Really good. I only got 90.
So I got 480. We got a lot of things to come and do the animation.
Wait, but isn't it Mom's turn?
It is Mommy's turn, but I think we're gonna go to the other side and see if Mommy can get some of the things to operate that's on the other side.
There we go.
Our last set of quarters.
Oh my God, do the skunk.
Which
Do
one?
the skunk.
Which one?
You
All
have
right,
to do the skunk.
we'll do the
I'll
skunk.
do the skunk first. How about that?
Yeah. Shoot
Uh-oh.
the one on the stick and you'll make the skunk do something.
But what if he sprays you?
There we go. 25 shots, Mama.
He is definitely not. Do the skunk. A little over.
Yay!
All right.
He does.
Oh, you think he can? You
I'm
think
gonna
he?
do the crocodile.
Yeah, and the crocodile mouth.
It opens and closes, opens and closes. Wait.
Higher.
Lower.
There you go.
Woo!
Does that?
All right. What about this wheel or something?
there? All
Yeah. What is that gonna do?
A little over. A little over. No, down. Down. A little over.
There we
Yeah.
go. Oh.
Opens up.
Yeah, that little thing down there.
All right, y'all want the raccoon?
Yeah.
You got 13 shots.
Oh, look, there's some way over there.
All right, we'll do the raccoon right here. Whoop, it spins the wheel.
Oh yeah, it just spins the paddle wheel. So I wonder if that does anything with the
Look, there's
raccoon.
some way over there. What do you think?
Oh!
He plays dead.
He plays dead.
All right. Look, right at the bottom. See, see at the bottom of the walkway under the wolf.
See if I can get that one.
You can do it.
To the right. There you go. Oh, it spins the bucket.
Do that one way up in the tree.
Which one? Like way,
Way up
up
there?
Oh. Let's see.
So we had to put an end to our little shooting arcade because they closed. So apparently today.
They kicked us out.
No, they didn't kick us out, but they did ask us to leave because they closed at 7 o'clock. So no more shooting arcade.
To the gift shop.
I know, no gift shop either.
I hate when it's no gift shop.
But we did have a good time. The shooting arcade was really cool, so that was a lot of fun. But we were going to go down to their sweet shop and get some sweets, but they're closed, so we're going to go find someplace else. But I think that pretty much puts a wrap on the new arcade and the shooting arcade here. Thanks for watching. We had a great time. Bye.
Kids, don't you just